This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, today class topic is reducer. So, Java 8 features we're discussing, right? Tell me guys, what the class one? Wait, good morning, yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Class one. What the class one? Class one we talk about the lambda expression. Every class we should have the clarity. So, class two we done with what? For each method, and class three is what about? Hmm? Sure. Filter the data. Filter the data. What data? Integer, comma stringer. What the class for here? Filter the data only. Uh, Filter the data only. Which object? Employee object. Employee object is there. You can go for the class 5. What the class 5? Map method. Map method into comma what? Stringer. Class 6 is what? Map method EMP object. See, clearly we done this all the concepts, right? Yeah. Yes, today class, this is a class 6, no? Yes, map is completed, guys. For the videos properly, write the notes for all the videos. When you write the notes, you will get the syntaxes and all. When you write something, you'll get the more clarity, guys. Even though you are doing the practicals, okay, good, but write the notes properly. So today class 7. Class 7 is what? Reduce method. Because if you go for reduce method, filter method is based on the condition to filter some data. Based on the condition what? Filter the data. Map method used to apply the operation on all the elements. Map method used to apply the operation on what? All the elements. But reduce used to perform the operation on all elements, returns only one value. Returns what? Only one value. Assume like you have the prices. Today we have a list of prices. I need a total amount. I need the total amount means what? I need to sum of these all the prices, right? Then you have to go for reducer. Reduce will perform the operation on all elements. It will give some as an integer value, one value. Just tell me what the purpose of reduce. Reduce method. Today topic is what? Reduce method. Reduce method apply the operation on what? All elements, but returns one value, multiple values are. Filter will return the one value, multiple values are multiple. We filter after filtering, you will get one value, multiple values. Map also returns what? Multiple value. Whatever reduce here, reduce returns what? Single value. This method perform the operations on what? Operations on all elements, returns what? Returns one value. It returns what? Only one value. That's the point. This method perform the operation on all elements, returns only one value. Return type should be only one. Return type should be what? Only one. That's the point. So today let me take one example. So I take the prices today. Prices of list of prices are there. 56 rupees. The buddy, normal shops. We have the 56 rupees, 76 rupees, 210, 200 rupees, 12 rupees, like this. I need to calculate the sum of these all elements. Sum of these all elements, right? Exactly. See guys, to do that, let me open Eclipse ID. Eclipse ID. Open this Eclipse ID. Yeah, Eclipse ID. Guys, to do the so you can take some point here. Okay, fine, key plans, that's fine. Workspace, I can take any workspace, it's not a problem. But the point is what, prices are there now. Prices, you want to get the sum of these all elements. Sum of these all elements means at a time you will take how many elements, no, some of these all elements at a time take the two elements, right? First these two elements, sum is next element, sum is next element, sum is next element. It means what? At a time you are taking how many values? Two values. So to perform the operation on these all elements, at a time we have to take what? Two values. That's what reduce method is taking, the two arguments. Reduce method is taking how many arguments? Two arguments, right? Exactly. Guys, what is the two arguments? I'll tell you. Eclipse ID. Yeah, when you write the code, you get the more clarity about that points. Eclipse ID is launching. Because to perform the reducer at a time, how many values we have to take? Two values. At a time, how many values? Two values, right? First of all, which one is performed? Tell me. 56 plus 34 is done. 56 plus 34, how much? 90? 90. 90 plus second operation is what, Amma? 56. 140, 146 plus 78. 2? 2 to 8. 2 to 8. 2 to 4. What you said that is correct, Amma. I'm not doing calculations. Then this is called 24. 24 means 23. Yeah. 23 means 240 plus 200. This one I know very well. 447. That calculations I know. Ma. Last one is what? 12. 1? 450. So at a time it is taking how many operations? Ma? 2 values, right? Oi, how many values? Ma? 2 values. Guys, here let me close this all the files. Guys, let me create one class, one normal class. You can take any one of the project. Ma. So otherwise you can create a new project. That's up to you. Right click here, new. I want to take what? Class. What the class, guys, here? The class is what? Reduce example, right? Reduce example. Click on what? Main method. Click on what? Finish. Then main method reduce example is created. Guys, I told you that take the list of prices. List of what? Prices. Take the list of. Can we get list of what? List of integer. You can take the prices equal to. Tell me guys what the prices you taken here. 56 comma 34 like this. Just you can give the prices here, right? Exactly. You got the point? List of, sorry, here not this one. So list dot off method also you can take, not a problem, right? List dot off method you can take the values. Yes, now I need to print the sum of these all elements. Then you can go for reducer because all elements we have to perform the operation. We have to return the value, right? Return the single value, total amount. That's what, guys. Here I can write the code like we have to get the stream object. Stream object you have to get. Stream is a sequence of elements. So stream is nothing but what? Sequence of element. We can apply the methods. What methods I can apply? Directly reduce method. What method? Reduce method. Now see the syntax of reduce method. Syntax of reduce method. See guys, this is a syntax. Expecting which object? Binary operator. This is what? Binary operator, right? So this is reduce method expecting binary operator. Check this binary operator. Binary operator is a functional interface. Binary operator is what? Functional interface. Binary operator is a functional interface, contains only one functional method. Only one functional method. Here we don't have functional method means maybe parent interface by function. Here we have the functional interface. Which method is there? Apply method. Where we can see apply method in the map, right? Map expecting what? Map function, right? Function contains which method? Apply method. Same way binary operator also contains which method? Apply method. Why two arguments? Just now I told you, at a time it is taking how many values? Two values. I have to sum of these all elements. Sum of these all elements means at a time it will take how many values? Two values. That's what they expect in the argument is what? Two values. Yes or no? That's the point. See guys, previously no for each method is there, no? What method? For each method. For each method is taking what the argument? Tell me. For each method is taking the object is what? Consumer. Consumer, right? Consumer are functional interface. Functional interface. Consumer contains what the method name? Tell me. Uh, Action method. For each contains a consumer, right? For each argument is a consumer. The method is called what? Accept actually. Consumer is a functional interface. Contains function method is what? Accept. Next method is method? Filter method. Filter method is taking the argument is what? Predicate. Predicate is taking the argument is what? Test. We are teaching the test method. Wait, test method, right? Accept method one argument. This is also one argument. For each method, this is the consumer. And one more I told you, right? Exactly. By consumer. By consumer is taking what? Two arguments. T1 comma T2 because key value pairs. Filter predicate. Next one is what? Map. Map expecting which argument? Function. Function contains what? Apply. One argument, one argument. See guys, like that we need to analyze the subject. Okay, today class what? Reduce. Reduce expecting what? Binary operator. What operator? Binary operator. It is also contains which method? Apply. Which method? Apply. But one argument or two arguments? Two arguments because at a time it has to take the two values. I think these are the function interface. In interview, some people will ask, "Hey, tell me what are the function interfaces you know in collections topic." In collections topic, what are the function interfaces you know? Consumer, by consumer, predicate, function, binary operator. Like that, you have to tell the answers so that he understood that okay, you know all lambda expressions, function interface concept. Once if you know this function interface means you know how to use that also, right? That's what the intention. Okay, fine, guys, fine. But reduce function is expecting argument is what ma binary operator which contains for the functional method ma apply. Taking how many arguments ma? Two arguments. Two arguments means come to the example. Now we write the two arguments. Arrow. Before arrow, how many arguments ma? Two arguments. So I have two arguments. Take any argument name. Tell me some variable name. Variable name. A comma B na. Okay. Can I take the I comma J? I comma J. Then I need to go for what? I plus J. That's all. Somewhere dot dot what? Get method. Because reducer will return type is what? Get method. Get method will return what am I? Int type. We can take the int result. Into what am I? Result. That's it, guys. That some of the elements is done. We don't need to write the for loops, if conditions, while loops, this all. Just to get the stream object, reduce will do the action internally. I comma j two arguments because at a time it will take how many values? Two values. You got the point, right? This is our control space can print the result. What expected result? Tell me. Just now we done the operation 459. We expected result. Getting the stream object reduce. Reduce is a functional interface, right? See, guys, internally if you place the cursor at reduce see internally he written the code. What the code he written? He written the code internally like this. Some of these all elements. But you know what is about that code. We need to take about what reduce, right? What is reduce? That's all. So the expected answer is what, 2 459. If the 459 is coming, reduce is working properly, right? Exactly. See, your calculation is correct. My output is correct. Sir, no, yeah. That's the point. Reduce purpose. For the purpose of reduce, tell me. Reduce to apply the operation on all elements. Returns how many values? One value returned. Are you clear now? That's it, Amma. Can I give one small requirement? You take the names, ma. You know reduce how to use. You know filter how to use. You know map how to use. I'll write the code by using filter, mapper, reducer. All three operations. All how many operations, ma? Three operations. You take the names, ma. Filter the names starts with R and starts with P. Some names you can take like that. And length should be double equal to 4. You'll be filter that. That names you have to filter. After filtering, what you have to do? Every name, we need to add the plus IT. IT we add. After that, we need to combine all the elements. We need to combine what? All the elements. Combine the all elements. Combine means what? Adding, right? For example, you got the output like Razu IT, Rani IT. Of combining what? Razu IT, Rani IT. Single element. Combine what? Combine. Tell me, guys. Combine what? Combine the all elements. We combine what? All elements. That's the point, guys. Got the point of? Yes. Guys, please tell me the code for that. Respond for the code. List of, yes, a list of what strings you can take. Names equal to list dot what? Otherwise, you can have this another, right? Arrays dot we have the as list. That is also correct. Guys, tell me, can I take the Raju? Can I take as well Rani? Can I take Raju, Rani? We can take the P also. Otherwise, can I take the starts with D? Can I take the Devi? Can take what? Devi. Can I take the Deyam? Devi and what? Deyam. And you can take the Ratan. You can take what? Ratan. Tell me any other names? You can take the Ratan. You can take the Farjanam. Farjanam. What's enough? Yes, you need to know the code is what filter the names which starts with R and D. Length should be double equal to 4. Then what the filter data tell me generally? Raju you will get, Rani you will get, Devi you will get. The EM is 5 characters, right? But length should be double equal to 4 only. Then what expected answer? Raju, Rani, Devi. That is expected answer, right? Then tell me guys, first we need to filter the data. Names dot what amma? Okay, names dot what? Stream. Get the stream of object. Then dot. Then dot what? Filter. Filter conditions what tell me ma? Arrow. Predicator. Test condition. What the condition guys? Name. You can write the name dot starts with R. Uh, name dot starts with what? R or anyone, right? Name dot starts with D, D. And length should be double equal to what? Name dot length double equal to what? 4. That is the filter condition. It may be R, it may be D. And the length should be double equal to 4. So here anything is fine. R means what? It may be R or it may be D. But under length should be what? 4, right? Length should be what? 4. After that I need to add the IT to every element. Then what? Map of name arrow, name plus IT. Then what expect answer? Razu IT, Rani IT, Devi IT. Then at last what I told you need to combine all. Combine all means what? Reduce. Reduce expecting how many arguments? 2 arguments. We combine what? Name one comma. Just you can make the first of all arrow bed number first. First you need to make the arrow. Before arrow arguments. What the arguments Name one comma name two. After arrow is what Name one plus name two. Like this. Dot get. Now tell me get method what it will return. Previously get method I'm getting the prices, right? Prices means what? Total price is integer format. Now tell me what the get method will return. String, because after comment is all the names. Get method return type is what? String result. Why string what? Result. Then you trying to print the result, right? This is our control space what? Result, right? You can write the result. See guys, you have a multiple condition but code is simple, right? You should know the requirement, should apply the data. But these methods are important, not important, very very important. Stream, I'm filter condition, mapped condition, reduce condition, get data after combining. So भगवान अच्छा करे तो आउटपुट आता क्या आता आउटपुट टेल मी राजू आईटी रानी आईटी देवी आईटी all combined together. All combined. మీరు run the code అమ్మా. Yes, run the code. See, Ratan IT also coming Ratan, how many characters length? 5. Razu IT, Rani IT, Devi IT, fine. Ratan IT, why it is coming? You do one thing. You keep this data is in the brackets. Or run this code. Now okay, na? Actually, these are the both are one condition, right? Actually, starts with R starts with D. This is a coming as a 1 point. Previously, I didn't make the braces. Means what happened here? Last these two taken as 1 point. No, that's what. Yes or no? This starts with R starts with D. This complete as a single condition, and length should be 4. The point or not? That's the point. So run this code. You got the correct output or not? Bas. Razu IT, Rani IT, Devi IT. Sir, I want length, sir. For example, you combined all the elements. You got this one. This length I want. Then what I need to tell me? Otherwise, here directly dot directly can call the length also. Length means what? Here integer you can make. That's it. Getting the string format, dot length means that length will come, right? Razo IT, how many characters Razo IT? 6. Rani IT, 6. Devi IT, 6. 3 6s are 18. Expected output is 18. Like that, we need to make the code. Up to length, up to get where is all because we need to know the data, right? That's it. Clear now? Can I tell you one small code? You please complete example. You have to respond for that. Take the numbers, some numbers, filter the number which is less than 10, filter చేయటమా every element multiply with 10, multiply with 10 చేసేయండి. And finally addition of all elements at last, print the addition of all elements, specific elements ma all elements, because reducer can do all elements only. Give me the code, tell me guys fast. List of, speak out last one. Integers, you can take the numbers equal to arrays dot, you can take, not a problem. Arrays dot what? As list. Arrays dot as list of what, take some numbers. 2, 67, 4, and 9, and 10, and 23, something like this. And 44 like this. You got the point, huh? Comma 44 like this. Now tell me guys, this case. This case what? This one, na? Yeah, you need to filter the data which is less than 10. Tell me the code for that. Numbers dot without data stream object. Tell me the code amma stream object చేసినది ఏం చేయాలా? Filter చేయాలా? ఏం filter చేయాలా? Number which is arrow, number which is less than what? 10. Less than or equal to less than then what the values will get? 2, 4, 6. 10 will come or not come on? Not come. Dot map of what, number arrow, tell me number star 10. Star 10 means what the value you get, tell me. Star means 20, 40, 60. 20, 40, 60 sum we want. Dot which method? Reduce. Now reduce arrow, before arrow is what, just you can take the two numbers at a time, right? Num1 plus num2. Here num1 plus num2. Got the point, right? Dot which method, get method return type is what, integer. So na int total you can take. Just you need to print the total, right? Coding is very nice, man. This is from Java 8 features, very important real time. So total we need to print. In this case, what output now? Expected output is what, 140. If 140 is coming up, all are going good. Ma 1 140 another 120 another 246 120 120. Guys, run this code, we'll get 120. You got the point, right? I think you got the clarity about the filter, mappers, reducers. All are clear? Any questions? Clear? You're able to understand, right? 1459. What the purpose of filter? Filter is used to apply the some conditions, get the data. Filter is used to what? Filter the data based on what? Conditions, right? A filter is used to filter the data based on what? Conditions. Number one. But the mapper is used to apply the operations on all elements. For each method, purpose is to tell me. For each method, used to just print the data, collection data or something. Filter purpose is what? Filter method based on the condition, it will filter the, filter the data. Second one. Third one is what, map. Map method is what purpose? Perform the operation on what? Perform the operation on what? All elements, right? Operation on specific elements, all elements are. Specific elements possible, not possible, not possible. Map means everything. Last one is what, reduce. Reduce means what? Use it to perform the operation on all collection data, but returns only one value. Very good. Get the point, right? Very important. If you write the notes, you'll get the more clarity. That's what. Even you can watch the video and you can do the practicals, but maintain the notes for this all the concepts. Got the class number how much, ma? Reducer class number 7. We'll meet in next video. We'll go for the next class, like flat maps, something like this. But all the videos are important, not important, ma? It's very, very important. Lambda expression for each method, filter, map, reduce. Clear up? Good. Guys, like the video, comment. Don't forget to comment. Comment the video, like the video, subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Please share the videos to your friends. Okay. At the point, right? Bye, guys.